Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. So this is a simple no frills layout for some heaters, and basically what we're going to do is just look at what my initial recommendations for square footage and also heights are concerned. So on this here, you can see that we have 360 square feet. If I put on the dimensions, it's basically 20 by 18. We have a 10-foot high ceiling over here, and it drops down to 8 foot on this end. I don't know if there's walls or whatnot, but this is, again, is just basic, simple. What would I do for this style of application? And these are just initial thoughts. Again, there's no frills. We don't know if there's lights. We don't know if there's doors. We don't know if there is any fans or anything up there. So what would I do with just the space alone? And then you can work around that. So at 360 square feet, I use a calculation of about 275 BTUs per square foot, which equals 99,000 BTUs required to heat up the space outdoors. And with that said, we have two different options. We can go with either electric or gas. And so with the electric heaters, you can see these are 6,000 watt units. At this height, you would definitely, no doubtly want a a control system on it. This would be too hot in probably 99% of the time. So you might even drop down to a 4,000 watt unit. But the reason I'm using 6,000 watt is because they're roughly 20,000 BTUs a piece. And so 20, 40, 60, 80, I almost have enough for that 99,000 BTUs. You can see with the footprint, I'm not covering the total square footage. There's some areas here that are missed with the heat ray. So with that being said, possibly the 20,000 BTU a piece units would be sufficient, and that's what the layout would look like. You want the heater straight down. You have a 7-foot 4-inch center to center, and then a 9-foot center to center on this side here, and that would give you sufficient heat for something that's similar to this. Okay. So placing some gas heaters in the same location, I have, these are 34,000 BTUs, and so a total of 68,000. And then these are 25,000 BTUs, so a total of 50,000. And this one here, you can see I'm going with the minimum clearance on the 34,000, which is 14 inches of clearance above the units, which puts the bottom of the heater at 7 feet 6 inches. And then on a 25,000 BTU heater, the minimum clearance when pointed straight down is 9 inches. And so that would put this heater at 7 foot and 3/4 of an inch. You can see the footprint of heat is a little different on the 25 versus the 34. You're roughly getting about a 9-foot throw this way and 7-foot throw this way. And on the 34s, you're getting a, you can see if I was physically able to get a ray through the slab here, you would be getting a 10 by 12-foot throw. So the 34 might be a little bit much for this height, but the BTU demand calls for enough heat for that application. So these heaters are in the same positions as I showed before as the electric heaters. Let me just turn this array off, and I'll overlay that, and you can see that they're just basically in the same positions. Okay. So that's in a nutshell what I would do for just a simplistic recommendation. And again, you'll need to work around what elements you might have in the patio, and also what might be structurally there, doors, things of that nature. All right, thank you for watching. If this has helped you in any way, and yeah, if this has helped you, please give us a thumbs up. And I just want to make an offer. If you're just looking for basic, simplistic designs, send us an email to designs@patioheat.com. Excuse me, it's design@patioheat.com, and just put a heading of simplistic design. Thank you very much and have a great day.